Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. Irfan is here. So today I would like to show you guys how can we get a location of an IP address by using Python. We may use geo-location API from ip-api.com to make this one possible. So let's get started. Alright, firstly, before we get started, we're gonna make sure this API is working by pinging to our own IP address. And to do this, we have to do an HTTP request by importing request library in Python. Then we can assign a variable. I use this one, and you can assign whatever variable you like. Then equal to request.get, and we can print it. Alright, so we can print it. So this one we can paste the link from the API, go to the API JSON, and copy this base path. Okay, copy this base path to our codes right here. And before that, let's connect to a VPN to hide my IP address. And I'm connected to this IP address at Singapore. And we can hit run. Yeah, you see that 200, that shows the response is successful. You may see error code 404 if it is a bad response, but those are not our situation right now. Now let's proceed to the main purpose on how to track location based on IP address. Before that, let me make this as a comment first. Alright, hash, and what to put here? I think maybe ping IP response. Yeah. And we proceed like usual. Make a variable. You can put whatever name as you like. I put IP info equal request.get like usual, and paste the same base path URL in here. Okay, then .json right here. Because we need to extract the Python dictionary from the API JSON file. Then we may proceed to what we would like to print. Okay, for example, right here, I would like to display country, region, or maybe region name, city, zip, latitude, and longitude of the location. Okay. Then I can simply print the string to make it easier for us to read it later. Country, IP info, and put the dictionary variable country, and I can copy this one and paste it for what data I would like to extract from the API that we use. I'll edit the whole line. And put the / in front of every string to make it print in a new line. This one, city, and city, zip code, zip, put zip here, latitude, we put lat here, lat. This one is based from the JSON file provided by the API. We can see it on the website. And lastly, we can hit run. You see that right there? It prints the location of IP address we are connected through the VPN earlier. That is a default IP address we are connected to. What about if you want to check other IP address location or simply a domain? Just put the IP address right here. For example, I use apple.com and hit run, and you can see this is the Apple HQ. You can Google it. Apple is based at Cupertino, California, USA. We may see the zip code along with latitude and longitude of its location. So that's how we track a single IP address location. How about multiple IP address location? Let me make this as a comment first. Alright, what do I do? Single IP tracing, and then wait, I think I can enter on this, make a new line. Okay, that's better. Okay, proceed into multiple IP tracing. So like usual, wait, I can make a new comment, and as usual, put whatever variable name as you favor. I'll put it here. IP, I think I can use the same IP ping equal to request.post. We're using post, not get. Using post. Okay, right here we need to put different path from the API. Find this batch API and click on batch JSON and copy this base path, paste it in our code here. Since it is post request, we need to provide some data. In this particular API, we need to provide data in a form of JSON. Then we can proceed to put the data. So in the API, it uses a query like this. Then let's provide it 3 IP addresses, for example. Okay, alright, and then I have these addresses I get from the VPN static IP address earlier. So let's put it one by one, copy and paste it one by one. Right here. And we can loop this program to display every IP address details we provided in here. For IP info, as usual, you can assign any variable here as you like. In IP ping, then print. So I would like to print a location data as same as we made earlier in single IP tracing. Just copy this line here and paste it here. Alright, let me fix this first. Delete. And we can print a blank line to make it easier to read later when we display. Wait, there's something wrong in here. I forgot to put JSON, I think. Yeah, there's more error. Wait, I'll fix this one once again, and just delete. And I think we can hit run. Wait, I'll put it, yeah, that's better, and we can hit run. So wait, oh, I forgot to put a comma in array, between array. Let's fix that, and we can hit run. Yeah, that's, as you can see here, our multiple IP address tracing works perfectly. Let me erase this and look at the IP address we provide earlier and its location. Okay, so that's all from me. Thanks for watching.